Hi guys, it's me, Mr. Reedner, and today I'm going to walk you through how to enter your four-year course plan into Naviance. So just to review, to get into Naviance, you can either access it through our website or through Canvas, but remember you will log in with Clever. You will not enter a username and password. You will just allow access with Canvas to allow your Canvas information to log you in. Once you are in, you're going to click on Courses, Manage Course Plans. Now, most people will not have a current course plan. Some people might have started one. If they do, it'll be here under their current plan. I'm going to assume that most people do not have a plan. And in that case, you will select this red plus. And what I will have you do is select one of these prefab plans for you based on your diploma type. So if you are trying to pursue a Core 40 diploma, you would select this one, Core 40 with Academic Honors, Core 40 with Technical Honors, or both Core 40 with Academic and Technical Honors. General Diploma is a plan. You would have to have a special meeting with me and your parent to select General Diploma. For today, we're going to select Core 40 as our example. So we will select our plan, and they're going to ask us to, if we want to create a new plan or copy courses from an existing plan, we will create a new plan and click Continue. Now, once we do that and the system loads, it will bring up what looks like a kind of a graphic illustration of our four-year plan. Now, what's a little different between the online four-year plan and the physical paper copy that you might have completed is we have to enter our classes based on subject area, not by year. Within each subject area, we'll have to organize our courses by year. So we'll use English as our example. We will click Add Courses, and then we will select for each year. So freshman year, our options are regular English 9 or English 9 CP, which is college prep. For our example, we will select English 9. Same thing happens sophomore year. Our options are English 10 or English 10 CP. We will select English 10 for our illustration. Now, starting junior year, we have some more options, and I will go into detail a little bit later about those, but for now, I want you just to select one. I'll give you a separate video with explanation on that. Composition 1 for one semester, and then we're going to take American Literature second semester. Senior year, we will take Composition 2 one semester, and then we will take Contemporary Literature the next semester. When you're done adding all the courses within a subject area to your plan, you will select Add Courses to your plan. It's important that you select that so it saves your changes, and then it will add it to your screen here. Now I'm going to select Math to show you a slightly different view in Math because it's not quite as obvious which years we'll take a math class. We'll select the plus sign to see all the courses available to us. And for Core 40, remember we need to take Algebra 1, Algebra 2, and Geometry. Now, see how there's a little red box here, a little red notice. If we scroll up to the top, we have to select the grade in which we are taking these courses. So I'm going to assume that we'll take Algebra 1 as a freshman. Most people do. We'll take actually Geometry as a sophomore, and then Algebra 2 as a junior. Once we've selected grade levels for those courses, now we're able to add selected courses to our plan. And we're going to navigate back to our main screen, and we can see where we have added math to our plan. I'm going to pause this for 1 second, fill out all the 4 years, and then come back and show you how to finish this puppy. All right, guys, I'm back. As you will see, my total number of credits has gone up. I have added courses for each area, and I have 50 credits in my plan. Remember, to graduate with a Core 40 diploma, you need a minimum of 46. So I've got my minimum 46 and then some. Another thing to look at, too, is each year it lists a total number of credits. You'll need to have at least 12 credits listed for each year because that's at least 6 classes. And if you have 12 credits, that's allowing you one non-credit bearing class, which is a possibility. For most people, you have 14 credits each semester, so you'll have well beyond the minimum 46, but it's important you have at least 12 credits represented in each year, and you've got your minimum number of credits up here. Now, once you've done that, the next step you'll need to do is click on Check for Alerts. What that's going to do is that's going to scan your plan, and it's going to tell you if you've got any classes for which you have not met the prereq. So let me give you an example. So let's say I decided to take one of these agriculture classes, but I had not taken Introduction to Agriculture. So I'm going to take that off, and then we're going to rescan our plan. We're going to check for alerts, and this time it gives me an alert. So it scrolls down, and each of these 3 agriculture classes, a little red arrow, it says requires a prereq. That's because before you can take any agriculture class, you have to take Intro to Ag. The same would happen as if you took an upper level art class without taking Introduction to Art, Introduction to 2D or 3D, or if you took a second or a third or fourth year of language without taking the first year, you'd get an error message. We have that alert in there so you can go back and you can fix it. So we'll go back in here and we will add Introduction to Agriculture to our plan as a freshman, and then we'll go ahead and we will refinalize our plan. So we're going to add that. Up here I'm going to make it my freshman year, and then I'm going to add my courses to my plan. Now when I go back in, and if I check for my alerts, good, there are no errors. So once I am done, I've got all the credits that I need, I've fixed all errors, I am going to select Submit for Approval. Now, since I'm viewing this as a demo student, it doesn't quite come up for me, but there should be a button right here that says Submit for Approval. There might also be a button that says Scan. I'm not sure if that feature has been enabled yet, but definitely you'll have a feature that says Submit for Approval. Your last step is click Submit for Approval, and that sends it to me as the counselor to check and make sure that's accurate. So once you've done that, guys, you are done with your plan. Good job.